A nice little squat 1920s, 1930s woods ware willow blue and white china milk jugs, half pint jug. Got no woodsware markings on it, so you may well ask me, how do I know this is a woodsware one? Well, we've handled them before. It's a very characteristic shape for woods, this, and the transfer design that they used again got characteristic elements in there that mean this is most definitely a woods piece of earthenware china. Nice glazed interior. There is a little bit of transfer just been smudged on the inner rim there. Do you see that inside? Somehow, I don't know why, it must have been on somebody's finger when they were moving this around, that some of the blue transferware got transferred into the inner side, but that's going to be there forever. The handle's got some nice detailing on these woods pieces as well. Just look at those sort of diamonds coming down with the little loop rings tying them together. Nice border detailing. It's a lovely thing, lovely shape, just so English, so 1920s and 30s, and in very fine condition. Beautiful glaze reflection on it, and no other condition notes on it at all. It's in superb connectors condition for somebody looking for a nice little blue willow milk jug. Description link below will take them through to the product listing on the Vintage and Antiques website. Do have a look through on our woodsware and willow generally. We've got a nice big catalogue collection of antique and vintage blue willow for you to consider. Thanks for watching.